Planning to take a loan for your dream home? This week, Property Classroom tells you what you should be careful about while opting for that home loan.
No doubt, easily available home loans are a boon as they get you that house. But they also come with a lot of fine print. Here are some things that you must know while going in for a home loan. Before you choose your home loan, it's important that you finalize the property that you're going to buy. Many banks may change the home loan amount depending on the property you select. Even if you decide to go in for a fixed or variable rate of interest, remember that you can switch from one to the other at any time during the tenure of the loan. The fixed rate of interest will be higher than the floating rate, and banks can change even the fixed rate depending on various factors, from an interest rate hike by the RBI to internal policies of the bank. If you pay your entire loan amount before the due date, you may be charged between 1 to 3% of your loan amount.
Anecdotal evidence suggests that about 40 to 50% of all home loans are paid well before their due dates, and hence it's a cost that every borrower should take into account before he or she takes the home loan.
And don't forget to take all your documents back once you've paid the loan. Documents like title deeds, property papers from the registrar, and most importantly an NOC or a no objection certificate from your bank saying that you have cleared the entire due amount is very important. This will ensure you have a smooth sale while selling your property later.